We are at the Citadel, where we got our two-story Nike outlet right here. And looks like every other outlet, you get 40% off the clearance section. But I did forget they do have a heat section where looks like you don't get 40% off, but you still get a discount on these. Still get a discount on the Flight Club Jordan 4 size 10 right here, $170. $170, such a good price. But the 9s, no discount. Women's pony hair 6s. This is grade school. It's like a women's, yeah, women's 7. Doesn't look like you get a discount. And then Jordan 4 white cement. Cleats, unfortunately. Got cleats if you're kids. That badass in football. Got a size 10 right here. At least you get a discount on something. Not too bad. So we're gonna have to hope to find something on the back wall where I do see some Jordan 1 Hot OGs 140. That's an 11.5. I don't know what area I'm in because everything's so crazy here. Everything's where it's not supposed to be. We got some mids right here. Got Cortez, $80 for these. Pegasus 41, older Pegasus. That comes out to $36 after the savings. Got some books right here, 55 bucks. $55. That means that it's like 30 bucks, like $30 for book. Ones right here. If you need some hoop shoes, $30. Are you serious? $30 effing dollars for book ones? Holy crap. That's great. I think that's marked wrong. But hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, that's definitely marked wrong. $80 for the LeBrons. Jordan 1 lows right here. University Red, $100. Jordan 4 RMs in a bread, $130. What are these? Some alley-oops? Alley-oops. Yeah, in the wrong box, so we don't know the price. It says $155. Retail on those are $90, so probably not. We've seen these at Ross lately, $70 here. I think it's cheaper here, especially with that 40% off. A lot of things aren't tagged. I know those Zoom separates aren't going for retail. $80 for the Dunk Highs. Looking like bread 4s right here. Bastards, 130 still. Oh, size 11, 140 for this colorway. Got these Cortez in different sizes. I see an 11. Go for 80. What's this down here? Huge midsole. What are these? Zoomfly 6s. Is this it's a size 10. I don't think I can do a 10. I wonder what the price on these bad boys are. Zoomfly 6s. Wonder what the price is. So these are going for retail. Oh, excuse me. So these are going for retail $180. Then you get that 40 off, which is not bad, but more than I want to pay. All right, smaller sizes right here. 2 3s, 110. I'm not touching that. That will not stay. That will not stay if I touch it. LeBron 22s, 110. Books right here, 120. Got some 2s. I thought these were. No. LeBron 21s down here, or 20s, my bad, 20s. Go for 150. How's it still 150? Nike pre old school runners right here. Montreal's go for 65. More of these. GT Hustle 3s. Right here. Oh, this is a really small size, 6.5. Yeah, it's 140. Steal of the day so far. These mislabeled book ones right here. Y'all taking these for 30 bucks. Got 4, 5 racks of these clearance apparel where you get 40% off. Jaylen Brown jersey right here, 120. So slightly under retail, and then you get another 40 off. This one's going for retail, 175, 40 off. Rams hoodies, 105. Looks like they got a few of these in different sizes. The Hertz t-shirts going for 35. Oh, that's his logo, huh? Jalen Hurts logo. And of course, a bunch of colorful t-shirts. Damn, that's just hella bright. Mamba generic jerseys. These are XLs, and they're hella loose. $55. Suns hoodie right here. It looks like it's all worn. I hate that look. And it is kind of worn. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Is it 60 bucks? Normally 85, maybe it is. This is Lakers gear. Lakers gear right here. Oh, the Mamba shirts. right here, $30, 40 off. Wow, $18 after the sale. These are $60, 40 off, so 30 something dollars. Got Jordan hoodies going for 60, Nike hoodies 50. That 40% off makes all of it pretty decent, $45. The Mamba pants right here. These two tend to be pretty freaking baggy. I have the black ones and they're a lot baggier than I remembered. I couldn't remember. $60. These golf slacks, Jordan. Kind of slacks, warm-ups. It looks like they're golf pants. Going for $75. More of these Mamba jerseys in a medium, and then a bunch of t-shirts as well. Yeah, this is where we started. Finishing off the back wall, the bigger sizes right here. We got Jordan 4RMs. Yeah, these are white. Why is there a size 10 here? It's to be size 12 and above. But yeah, $130 for these. They got the bread ones, $130. Pegasus Plus $130 as well. Decent colorway. V2K Run right here, $90. GT3 Turbos. Oh, these are some cleats. Go for $110. $210 for the elite ones right here. Superfly Elites. Jordan 1 Lows go for $100. Black and white Cortez go for $80. Got these Cortez right here as well. We've seen these at a few different outlets for $80. Air Max DN8s right here. They go for $120. Shocks TLs $130. Then I'm finally starting to see extended size prices, but only on stuff like this. Downshifters for $35. Only on like really generic stuff. Not really seeing much either. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles. Where they got some Jordan 4RMs and 2 3s, as well as quite a few other non-signature J's over here. Putting these 4Ms on the other side. Luca .77 is budget brand. There's budget signature shoe that has got some Kobe 9 Elite Lows, Jordan 1 Lows, Book 1 SEs, KD 18s, Nike budget signature shoes over here. And then what's this right here? Oh, GT Hustle 3s. What is this? Every day? Okay. Hustling every day apparently. I think this is the Victor Wembanyama PE right here. I thought his had an alien on it. Yeah, but I think this is from earlier because he has some other shoes now, the composite looking shoes now, so I don't think it's the signature, but that's kind of what he's been wearing. Air Max 2017, a couple of the Rejuvenate slides, a few more of these Air Max 2017s right here. This is triple black with no reflective material on it. Flight Legacies. They even got generic Air Max 270s. I didn't know that. What the hell? I thought these were 270s, but apparently they're the Phoenix. What the heck? And a couple of 270s right here, 120. Air Max 90s. Shocks R4s. Platinum Tin Iron Gray. Weird because they don't name the blue. Triple black. Then we got some Sabrinas. A1s. These are technically both women's shoes. Kobe 5. I think this is what the year of the Mambas. Then got some Kobe 9 Elites. Then running shoes, but not really, but. And they got these Vomero 18. So we're going to start seeing these on the back wall soon. Hell yeah. These are a wide right here. Man, these are so freaking comfy. And these go on the back wall. 40% off of that. Ooh, I can't wait. Or they're going to do retail minus 40% off. Who knows? Because that would be 120-ish at least. Upstairs where they got the kids section on the right and then the women's section on the left. And of course we got to start with the bigger section because you never know if they have some dope extended size pricing on any of their stuff like this right here. Nah, not really. Look at this. $295. That is the retail. Damn, at least you get 40 off. Some of you guys can be patient like me and go to 50 different stores. Some of you guys can't, so it's still a decent price. $90 for Jordan 1 SEs. $130 for these. Got mids right here for $90. Dunks for $90. I don't see any extended test priced items. I also don't see any like premium running shoes as well. Dang it. This ain't bad right here. Pegasus Premium. Size 11, women, 9.5 men's. Yeah, these are 165, which means under 100 bucks. Under 100 bucks after the savings. Okay. And then the more common sizes, they got a bunch of these right here. These are, I don't know why these remind me of the Ginas. But yeah, 125. Got multiple sizes, 40 off. You see size 7s right there as well. See a lot of these too. We saw these in the bigger sections. Got some Asia ones right here, going for 90. These Juniper Trail, the Pegasus Trails right here, going for 70. Vomeros right here. Vomero Plus, go for 140. Vomero Plus 140. That's what I'm talking about. That is definitely what I'm talking about. Size 10, that's too small for my kid. I need a 10.5, dang it. Got Dunks. Oh, these are crazy small. But yeah, 90 bucks. Just like the men's section, like nothing's where it's supposed to be. $90 for these Infinity Run 4s. Right here, go for 110. That's not bad. Got some of these Cortez, such a ugly color combo in my opinion. 65. Oh, these weird Jordan 1 mesh bad boys. Oh, these are ugly too. 100 bucks. Zoom Fly right here. See if the men's was like that, I would definitely have grabbed them for that price. Damn, dude, but they are a full 180. And the men's, unfortunately, the Vapor Flies right here, 295. Another one down here. Damn, dude, they got better deals for those. Dang it. Moving over to the house, of course, they got to have some Air Max 270s. Tons of generic stuff, though. The Ebernon Lows, Air Max Dawn, Air Max Bliss, what the hell? Correlates right here. The Air Max Bolt, what the F? Got some Dunk Low SS right here. Faux alligator skin. Some Dunks right here. The Rose Whisper. I swear we've seen these like 500 times. At every outlet. Some different color, different material ones. Okay. Ones with the ribbon laces. BN8s. Some mids. Cortez. Multiple colorways. Metcon 10s. First time I've seen the Metcon 10. Dang, they've changed a lot. They've changed a lot. The 8s, the 9s all look very similar. Okay. Free Metcon 5s. A1s. Forces. Zoomfly 6s. How come we didn't see these in the men's like that? Got better running section in the women's. Omero 18s. And in grade schools, got the Kobe 9 Elites. Got the Jordan 1s. Got some non-signatures right here. As well as Jordan 1 mids, Spiz Ikes, mids, lows, some LeBrons. Got 22s here already. Got Shocks R4s in 2 different colorways. Air Max DN8s. Upstairs in the women, they do have some backpacks on sale, $40. And then you get another 40% off. I forgot to finish off all the different racks. But I got a few more of these for $60. We got a lot of t-shirts, so don't mind skipping some of them. Do got the 24/7 jacket right here, go for 100. So that's 60 bucks. Got it in multiple colorways, different sizes. Got those total 90 jerseys right here, go for 80. Got more of these Mamba t-shirts, different sizes, 30 bucks. Jerseys, let's see, here's this James Jr. again. So we got a bunch of different sizes of those. New Balance Factory Store, ooh, 50% off clearance. Really don't see 50% off clearance too often. It means 50% off everything on the back wall, which has a yellow tag on it. Unfortunately, I don't see any 1080s, dang it. See some 550s right here, 70 bucks, so 35. D500s go for 60. 1906s, 140. TT 300, I've never heard of these. 70 bucks. T500s right here, $60, so 30 bucks. 9060s, 160 still, dang it. More of these 550s right here, 100 bucks. 1706s, 130. And I'm not even talking about sizes, because you guys can always just go to the front, see if they can order it if they don't have your size. And they usually give it to you at the same price, no delivery fees. So that's actually better than Nike, 160 for those. More 1906s, 155. They just have these running shoes right here, 880s. Which is like, is it one of their stability shoes? I know it's a lot A lot more dense than the 1080s. 130 for those. This colorway, 150. In the aisles, I got a few 880s going for 130, get 50 off. Super comp trainers. I wish these were 50 off, but these are buy one, get one 50% off. They are going for 150, which is actually a really good price, especially with that BOGO 50. These are the super comp trainers right here as well. These are going for 190. Got a couple of T5. Oh, got a T500. What is this? A 204? These are 480. No, yeah, 480. 160 for these 9060s. These are 160 as well. 130 for this one. You get the 50 off all that. 160 for these. It's the women's section. They have more and more of these BOGO get 150% off, but that's not the deal we're looking for. We're looking for max savings. These are $100 for 1080s, which is actually not bad at BOGO 50 off. They'd be 200, then you get 50% off your second. So it'd be 100 plus 50, so it'd be 175 each, which is not bad. But we're looking for better deals. This is the women's section, or women's clearance section right here. And yeah, if I could find something like this for really cheap, that'd be dope. 250, 50 off, 125 for the super comp elites, not bad. Not bad. These right here, super comp trainers. I don't know the difference between the trainers and the super comp elites. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. But yeah, 180, so is that $90? 90 bucks, hell of a deal. Another color with the super comp trainers, 180, and another one. Oh, these are the super comp elite. It's 250. That 574 is $100, so $50 after discount. 997s go for 90. Another one of these 574. Still confused by that. $100 for these. These are super comp trainers and stuff. Actually, a pretty good deal, but still a little more than I want to pay. I'm finally seeing some 1080s right here. $100 for these bad boys. I'm good on this color though. And that's it. And the 860s right here. The 860s. Got the Vongos right here. $100. That's about it. And then in the aisles got 880s, 130, 50 off. 130 for these. And they have a plethora of them. All go for 130, 50% off. That's 6 different colorways. Wow. And got some 530s. What are these? 110, 125 for these bad boys right here. Made in the USA. 996s. That's one of the cheapest prices we've seen them. 125. Oh, this is a men's. 125. Got plenty of sizes. Plenty of sizes up to size 11 and a half. Yeah, made in the USA shoes for 60. What, 62.50, not bad. Last couple videos, I forgot to show what I'm wearing. Got these bad boys on. These are the All-Star Weekend Dunks. SB Dunks, actually, SB Dunk highs. These are from Charlotte a few years back. I believe it's a black sheet collab, but yeah, wearing all black. All black today. Man, I've been eating like crazy, drank like crazy. Man, feeling a little chubby today.